Welcome to the PowerSpeakingPro channel. This is where I give you tips to help you improve your speaking and communication skills. Hi, my name is George Monat and glad to have you aboard. The folk singer Tom Lehrer once said, "People often bemoan the fact that they can't communicate. At the very minimum, they should shut up." Well, I would change this a little bit. I would say, at the very minimum, they should be quiet and they should listen. The more you bemoan your fate, the more you ingrain it in your brain, and things just get worse and worse. But if you choose to listen to other people, at a minimum, you stop creating this negative impression in your mind. When people say, "I'm digging myself into a hole," well, the obvious answer is, stop digging. So if you're bemoaning your fate, be quiet, begin to listen. Other people probably have good ideas, and they could maybe offer you some help. That is, if you were truly willing to listen. At a minimum, be quiet. Think about what's good in your life. Think about all the positive things that you have. And if you need help, you can go and talk to other people. But again, you have to stop bemoaning and you have to begin to listen. Often communication is not about talking. Communication very often is about listening or saying nothing. Please subscribe and I'll see you next time.